I had some real dim lights on these LEDs on the Santa Fe train, so I needed to change out the batteries, even though they weren't, giving up any juice when it was off. They still, over time, they've been in those trains for a couple of years, so I don't know, a year, 2 years, something like that. Anyways, but the problem was that the switch battery thing right there, I had the wires wrapped around it for the excess wire. So, it was really kind of a pain in the behind to change the battery, to unwrap them. So I kind of did the wires, I rerouted it. That little red one that's on there, that comes off so that I can slide those batteries out. So in another year or two, I'll be changing them.